What up, guys? This is Pastor Canal again. We're coming up with another tutorial in C Sharp. We're going to be talking about uh, condition with if statements, right? Cool beans. So, but before we start, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. You know, in this tutorial, we will learn how C Sharp let you control the flow of a program, and this includes making decisions based on your data, handle error conditions, or how to perform repetitive operations. So we're going to be doing basic logical decisions right here. So in the programs that we work, sometimes we do decisions all the time. For example, if a customer has enough money to withdraw money, like they gotta see, do we have enough money to do how much we have to, that stuff. Um, so all right, let's start with integer. Let's give you the name of wallet, and then let's assign a value of 50, and then we're going to do if statement if wallet equals to 50. So we want to say to print the following: the console right line. So we're going to say your balance is 50. Your balance is 50, right? It's a simple one. And then we can also use a else statement right here. We can say console, let's do that, because your balance is not 50, right? So let's print that and see what we get. So yeah, your balance is 50. Cool, that worked. So now let's change this to 51. It should give us the next one. Your balance is not 50. Cool, that worked. Right now, also we can use else if statement right here. So let's pretend if wallet is greater equals to 51, and wallet less equal to 60. So we can say the following right here: console, let's copy that, put it right here. Your balance is between 51 to 61, and let's change the byte right here. Let's just put a 57. Okay, and that should give us your balance is between 51 to 61. Okay, cool, that worked, because we got 57 now. All right, that sounds like a good plan. Now, if you're using more than 4 if statements, it's better just to use switch, which we're going to be seeing the next topic. All right, but anyway, so right here we're going to be talking how can we condense this if statement. So we can use the ternary operator. Yeah, let's just have this. Okay, let's paste it right here. Get rid of this, and let's just ternary operator. Okay, so let's just do right here console that right line, and right here we're going to start first with a condition, which is going to be wallet less than 50, and then we're going to use a quotation mark, and then the first the true condition right here, we're going to say a small amount and then we finish that, and then we do a column, and then you do the next one, you do larger amount. And here we're talking about the amount, right? Wallet is less than 50, so which it should give us the larger amount right here. Let's execute that and see. Yeah, right, your balance is between 51 to 61, which is the one that we just validated, and now the the ternary operator, larger amount. All right, guys, so that was pretty much for today. Hopefully you guys liked the video, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one. All right, have a good night. Okay, bye bye.